When the vehicle is equipped with the seat memory function, tap the user icon on the center display and enter the Member Center to set the seat memory function. The default seat memory is set to Profile 1. To add a new profile, tap Add a new profile. Adjust the seat to a position in which you feel comfortable and tap Save. You can set up to 3 profiles. To adjust, tap on the profile to be adjusted, adjust the seat, and tap Save. If you tap Recover instead of Save, the seat will return to the previously saved seat memory position under that profile. The system will save both the seat position and the door mirrors positions. On the profile interface, tap Edit to edit or delete the profile. Once set up, you can tap to switch between the profiles on the profile interface. You can also switch by simply tapping the user icon and accessing the profile list.